Hey folks, how you doing? Got a little bit of instructional video in here on how to assemble your kayak dock. Once you get it, if it's like this, if it's already pre-finished, pre-decked, you need to orientate it in such a manner that the holes for your grab bar are looking toward each other. You don't want to put them on the outside. So you'll see some holes in there, put them facing one another. Unpackage all your bolts, all your hardware and stuff. The first part you want to put on are these rollers. These rollers won't fit in if you put the bottom pipe in first. So what you want to do is get them sort of straightened up, put your roller on, put your bolts in the hole, leave everything loose, slide your bottom pipe through, and then put those bolts, I like to put them up from the bottom. Now these are stainless steel bolts. In your package with the bolts should be a little tube of grease. Make sure you put a little bit of grease on each one of these stainless steel bolts and tighten them up very, very slowly. Second of all, once that's done and it's all tight, orient your handbar, your grab bar, put it in, use the required bolts that came in your package to bolt it on. Lastly, you need to mount your candy cane holders. Now these, I like to put them somewhere, not all the way out to the end. If you want to, you can, but somewhere that's sturdy. And when you put your candy canes to your dock where this is going to slide up and down, you have to take that into consideration also. I like to cut a piece of board, cribbing board, make sure I put it underneath, so when I put this bracket on top and you go to tighten the bolts down, it does, it smashes everything together and holds it in the right spot. Once you got it to where you think you need to have it, take a drill, 7/16 bit. You don't want to drill straight down through, because if you do, you may hit the float. So what you want to do, you want to angle this drill outwards a little bit, kind of eyeball it between here to see where it's going to come out down here. You want it to come out somewhere in the middle of this 2-inch angle down here. Mark your holes, drill it. Drill the one from the front, install your hardware. Then after that, all you have to do is get the candy cane set the same distance apart, mount them however it needs to be on whatever dock, seawall, whatever you have. Start enjoying. Thanks, folks. See you next time.